Okay, so this is linear systems, which is similar to lines, but there's two big extra skills. We've done these recently. Solve the following system using substitution. Equation 1, equation 2. What does substitution mean? It means I take the value for y equals, see how it's already isolated for y. So I take that and I sub it into y in the other equation. So I go 1 into 2. So I start writing out 2. 3x plus 2y equals 1. And I write y in the other equation. Y equals 4x plus 6. I sub that in. That's the big step of how you solve with substitution. And then this is like an equation that we reviewed yesterday. Negative 3x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 6x. 2 times 6 is plus 12. Negative 3, sorry, that should be 8. Negative 3 minus 8 is negative 11. Plus 12 equals 1. Subtract 12 from both sides. Negative 11. X equals negative 11. Divide both by negative 11. And x equals 1. That's equation 3. I'm going to sub 3 into 1. Negative 4 times x plus 6, where x is 1. So y equals negative 4 plus 6, which is 2. Therefore, your point of intersection, don't forget, is 1, 2. Some people like to write this like this. Therefore, x equals 1, y equals 2. I mean, you're right, but that doesn't communicate that it's a point of intersection. So that's not going to get you full marks as a summary. So you should be writing it like that. Questions, questions, questions. One more quick one. Solve using elimination. So how is this one different? Equation 1, equation 2. Brianna? Very good. I look at the coefficients. Those are not the same, and those are not the same. So I have to fix that. So the easiest way is multiplying equation 2 times 2. I have to multiply everything by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4x minus 6y equals negative 18. Call that equation 3. And then equation 1 minus equation 3. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus negative 6 is 5 plus 6, which is 11. That's really tricky for some people. So again, use your calculator. Negative 7 minus negative 18. Again, that's tricky, but use your calculator. It works out to positive 11. Divide both sides by 11. And y equals 1. Equation 4. And I do the same as I did in the last question. Now, from here on, it's the same. 4 into, let's go into 2. So 2x minus 6 times 1. Subbing 1 in for y equals negative 9. Is that right? No, that should be a 3. So 2x minus 3 equals negative 9. Add 3 to both sides. 2x equals, getting ahead of myself here. Add 3 to both sides. 2x equals negative 6. Divide both sides by 2. Oops. And x equals negative 3. Therefore, point of intersection is negative 3, 1.